Lads, if you're struggling with your fashion sense and you want to look the part, then there's a very basic piece of advice I can give you, which is keep your colors very simple. I'm wearing black. When I see anyone walk around with a fucking yellow t-shirt or a green t-shirt or a rainbow colored shit or all these funky neon colors, dude, it doesn't work. It's unattractive. It's highly unattractive. I try and dress like James Bond. I mean, not right now, I'm on my way to the gym. But I try and dress like James Bond in the sense that I keep the colors really simple. White shirt, dark clothes, dark t-shirt, black shirt. I'm not wearing no neon colors. I'm not wearing yellow. I'm not wearing green. I'm not wearing pink. Sometimes you can get away with one or two pieces of interesting colors. Like you might wear a linen pink shirt, for example. But be careful what shade of pink you're wearing. I would advise you to dress as simple as possible with the simplest colors possible. Don't experiment. Don't wear no stupid ass neon colors. You're just gonna look like feminine. You're not gonna look masculine. Masculine men keep their color schemes very simple and classy and casual. Okay, when you think of the word classy, and what colors do you think of when you think of classy? I think of black, I think of a dark purple, white to a degree, but again, just think about the simplest colors. Sometimes you might want to wear, they do say wearing a red t-shirt for a man makes him more appealing and dangerous. So okay, you can occasionally go and wear a red t-shirt. But again, colors are super simple. Even in the summer, if you want to wear an interesting color t-shirt, then blue, light blue, but just don't go funky, all right? Don't go on the funky colors, because funky colors make you look feminine and make you look just like you're just not slick. Doesn't make you look classy. The look you're looking for is classy, smooth, simple, effective, and sexy. Okay, those are the words. Every time you put clothes on, do you think to yourself, I look classy and casual and sexy? Is that the term? When men wear suits, what color suits do they wear? Do you see funky color suits? No, you don't. You see navy blue, you see black, you might see a linen, a gray, bluish linen in the summer, and that's all you're gonna see. So when you think of classy, you think of a man wearing a suit. When he wears a suit, guess what color shirt he wears? He wears a white shirt. Okay, he doesn't go and wear some funky color shirt which just doesn't fit the rest of his attire. And I noticed this because I've been traveling for 10 years, so I see what people wear across the world. Now here in Eastern Europe, they're not the best dressing men, I'll be honest. They dress terribly. Americans dress very funky with like basketball jerseys and all this kind of stuff. The best dressed people are, you guessed it, the Italians. The Italians are the best dressed people because they dress so classy and so slick and so smart all the time. Now in London, when you work in the city, you'll also see people that are dressed smart and slick and sexy and well-fitted clothes. Okay, that's the other thing I would say. If you have a good body, if you're in good shape, you want well-fitting clothes. I'm not about these like baggy ass clothes that just fall off you. Oh yeah, baggy's in fashion. Baggy's not in fashion, dude. If you've got a good body and you've got muscles, it's fine to show them off. I'm not talking about the tightest t-shirt you can find. I'm talking about a t-shirt that fits your body nicely and shows off your muscular, prowess. So there you go. Super simple tips on how to dress. As long as you keep those in mind, you'll be absolutely fine wherever you go, anywhere in the world.